Rudy is going to show us how easy it is to hand out gospel tracts. Check it out.
Yeah, should we turn around?
Yeah, we will get to preach myself.
Can we?
What it do? Yo, that's what I'm about. What it do? What it do? Yeah, cheers. Right there, yeah. Yeah.
Counting top chef, cause I've been serving incidentals. I ain't talking about the griddles, cause the Jesus out of me. You just looking for the air that just wasn't meant to be.
Yeah.
Turn up more.
Yeah. Yeah.
But until it's got this niggas, then they ain't gonna
Yeah.
stop.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers, right there. Cheers. Turn down right there, yeah. Cheers. Cheers, alright. What it do? Tonight we came out here to preach the Word of God. A couple things you guys need to know, and some people are a little confused on this because of evolution. What they taught you in school, that you came from monkeys. Yeah, a little crazy. Yeah, okay. But first thing is, you need to know is God is the creator. Okay? Simple truth. God created man, woman, everything in this world, okay? And He created it and it was good. And since God created the world and everything in it, God has the right to set standards on your life. So God said that you should love me with all your heart, soul, mind, and strength.
God hates us all.
Let me ask you, do you love God with all your heart, soul, mind, and strength? Now, if you don't love God, then that's breaking the law of God by not loving Him with all your heart, soul, mind, and strength. See, there's man's law and then there's God's law. God said you should not lie. God also said you should not steal.